It is incredible that Pakistan can make company dies by hand. Due to the inherent shortage of materials in Pakistan, even if the die is broken, there is no place to buy it. So they use scrapped plate yellow for processing. Through simple operation of the car window, they can reproduce the same company die. The former die was directly broken because the processed steel was not annealed. Fu thought of the steel plate on the truck plate yellow and spared a section of plate yellow for manual production. On the premise that the hardness and thickness of the steel plate meet the requirements, Fu first needs to heat the steel plate at high temperature because the plate yellow has amplitude. If you want to press the steel plate flat, you can heat it red and anneal it. When it is heated to red and black, the hardness after heating is still very high. Therefore, the master needs to use a hydraulic press to press the steel plate with amplitude flat. It takes 30 seconds to press down. The steel plate with a certain amplitude is completely level. After the waiter cools down completely, the foot teeth draw a mark line on the surface. After cutting the steel plate within the marking line, the master needs to fix the cut steel plate with the help of the thimble of the lathe. Cutting with a row knife, the steel plate is continuously rotated, and the square steel plate gradually becomes a circle. Then the outer diameter of the original swing tooth is measured with a micrometer. When the data of the two are completely consistent and there is no error, the steel plate is processed. The side with the hair color is processed flat. Because the 4-claw plate of the repair shop has been damaged, the steel plate can only be at the axis of the 3-claw plate. The master also needs to clamp the electric drill into the special base. After the tail is fixed by the row brick, the chuck of the electric drill can fix the twist thorn, ensure that the bolts of the base are not loose, and the head can be pressed against the edge of the steel plate. This is only to process 5 drainage holes. When the two are completely overlapped, they are fixed with a saw. The main purpose is to trace the drainage holes. The steel plate can mark the exact position of the 5 holes. Then adjust the position of the steel plate in the electric drill. When the center points overlap, drill through the steel plate with the electric drill. In this way, the drainage hole position can be completely reproduced. After drilling all 5 holes, the hole size does not meet the use requirements. After drilling, you can only use the drill bit to continue to get holes. Without manual intervention, the hole position is also very fast. The processing has been completed. When the positive axis of the steel plate needs to be drilled, the drill fixing kit needs to be removed. When the drill bit is fixed on the top of the car window, the axis of the plate also needs to be processed. This is the main thread of Baya Company. In order to make the 5 drainage holes work, the master also needs to connect the 6 holes. The center hole is continuously enlarged by the inner hole cutter. The original swing tooth gem is consistent. After confirming that it is correct, use a marker pen to carefully apply each section. The main purpose is to facilitate the observation of the thread. When the hole cutter is cutting, the color of the marker pen can form a contrast with the thread mouth. Under the skilled operation of the master, the thread of the inner ring of the tooth is cut. The original swing teeth are exactly the same. The swing teeth need to be fixed inside the wrench. The master also needs to compare the line position holes for marking. The line position bolts can completely compress the swing teeth. The master also needs to cut the swing teeth with an angle grinder until the edges are completely cut off and separated. Then the swing teeth are placed inside the wrench, and the line is used to bolt the swing teeth completely. In order to verify whether the swing teeth can be used, the master also needs to use an elbow to perform actual operation. If there is no jamming when turning, then the swing teeth made by Banwang are completed. How is the skill of the Pakistani master?